Hello guys, welcome to another family vlog. I know if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to Prolific Tribe, like the video, place a comment. Today is going to be about planting. The planting season is here. You can see from here we're having some nice garlic. So garlic, mainly we plant them in the winter so they can now eat very well. So they are growing very well now. You can see I have some few ones here. I tried it. This is the first time. Then I'm planting garlic. You can see one of them here. Also, they are growing very well. They are improving from what I see. Okay, there's one here. I had to cover them with this weeds to ensure that they grow slowly. Yes, we can have some here. There are still some here. So I think it is a nice production, and you can see one of them here. Also, they are growing very well. They are improving from what I see. Okay, there's one here. I had to cover them with this weeds to ensure that they grow slowly. Yes, we can have some here. There are still some here. So I think it is a nice production, and okay, you can see some here. I think almost all that I planted this season, they grew very well. So there is one here also. Let me see. Almost all that I planted what? Okay, you can see another here. This is one here. It's growing very well. I think I'm having a good planting season today, this year. Let's see if we have one more. It's good, it's good. I think, okay, we're having one more here. It's very interesting. And the weather is really very conducive for this to grow. So let me close this up. You have to close them up so they can grow very well. So I have to cut this. So guys, here we have just garlic, and the next episode I'm going to be showing you guys other fruits we are going to be planting in this 10 acres of land. So I'm going to be planting a lot of fruits and vegetables. So guys, stay tuned, like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace.